guys.
What's up, guys?
Welcome back to Archer's Green. I know it's been like 18 million years since we recorded a video, but we're in San Antonio and we're at San Japan Anime Convention. So what we're gonna do is we bought a whole bunch of mystery boxes and we're just gonna open them on camera. This one, and I have this one. Lewis has that one, and then
egg.
An egg.
We had a kid. It's in here.
Okay, whatever. Anyway, so which one do you want?
Each one got a different amount of stuff in it.
Yeah, I think this one has like 15 to 20.
One guy's 8, one guy's 6.
6. This is just a T-shirt.
So let's go smallest to
largest.
Yep.
Okay, so let's do this T-shirt first. This is for Lewis. It's his size. So let's see.
If I don't like it, she'll probably wear it. So.
It's free. Oh, it's like a gray. I thought it was 2 T-shirts for a second. I don't know what this is. You okay if I open it? Okay. It's a weird color.
It looks like a Minecraft shirt.
That's mine. Oh, hope not. I don't really.
Yeah, it's just a little Minecraft. It looks like they're in lockup or getting identified or something.
That's okay. It's not that bad. That's a T-shirt that we got. Alrighty. So that was this box. I don't even know what these boxes are called, but.
So now we're gonna go to a horror box.
This is a horror box, mystery horror box. So, how do you open it? Oh.
Hopefully they don't got no scary dolls.
I actually want a creepy doll. The Halloween's coming up, and I want to be able to. Oh crap. Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. There's a lunchbox in here. Oh, it's an alien's lunchbox. Show it.
I'm about to take it out the thing. Bam.
That's kind of cool.
Like an egg, and they got the alien on the back.
Ooh. It's like, what do you call it? Like a retro
That's
looking.
like the danger thing. Let's see. How do you open this up?
Oh, it came with the whatever you call this thing.
Thermos, right?
A thermos, is that what it's called? Like you can put stuff in it.
What's on it?
Soup, right? Don't people put soup on it? It's like a cup.
What's the design on it?
It says alien, and it's like what do you call those people? Astronaut, and then it has the egg, so they're about to get attacked. That's pretty cool.
I like this egg design. Y'all see it again? It's tight.
That's cool. I never had one of these before. All right, put that back in the lunchbox.
Oh yeah.
All right, and then I'm gonna get the next thing, which is another aliens themed thing. It's a box. I wonder if it's this, like the little egg. Let me open it and see. Is this a salt and pepper shaker? It's a salt and pepper shaker. I think that's what it is, right? Yes, it's a salt and pepper shaker.
Look at that.
Oh, looks kind of like a JJ.
Oh, we're trying not to say anything. Y'all want to ever come over and use some salt?
That's cool.
Let me go ahead and get the next thing. What's this wrapped up? If I can ever get to this.
What?
Oh, it's like a coffee mug.
I'm about to put that up later.
I'm about to. You go ahead and open the next thing. So I can open this.
Alright, the next thing I see is, I think it's a Rubiks Cube. It's like a puzzle cube. Let me open it. Why is everything closed and sealed? I mean, I guess you'd want it to be closed and sealed. But it's like a Rubiks Cube. Is that what you call it? A Rubiks Cube?
Yeah.
So, yeah. I don't know what this is, like what design or what it's from. But it looks pretty cool. I think I don't want to mess it up though, so I'm probably not ever gonna play with this. But
so I unraveled the thing, and it is a Ghostbusters. That little green guy on there. It's all blurred out and stuff. You got all goes in the dark actually. It says, "Ugly little Spud, isn't he?" It's just the ugly guy from Ghostbusters Green. I might use this.
and this is from Heckraiser 3. Heck on Earth. Yeah.
Who?
I don't say that word.
Okay, we got the Army of Darkness. I think that's the old movie. What was it called? Evil Dead? Is that what it's called?
I don't know.
Like a little figurine dude.
And then the little... Oh, it's not the last item. The next item...
Ooh.
Oh.
1 out of 12.
So the next thing, it says Hollywood Horrors. And it says Bates Motel.
Oh, that's from the one show. Or one movie.
There was still something in there.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, one more thing. So... Oh, it is a keychain. And it's this. It says Bates Motel, Old Highway 10, Fairville, California. And it says, drop into any mailbox. We guarantee postage. Anyway, yeah, so it's just a little keychain.
The last thing is a Walking Dead air freshener with Negan on it called It's Negan Time. Really? Pine scent.
So that's 1, 2...
Not bad, not bad. Digging this alien lunchbox. Pretty cool. Look at that, you can feel it and everything.
Put everything back in there so that I don't get confused on what.
Oh no.
All right.
Not a bad first one.
It's the second box.
The shirt don't really count. Is that how it was?
I don't know. That's how it's going to be.
There.
Alrighty. So the second...
She's dead.
The second thing we're going to open is the egg.
Now, they didn't let us check the weight of it or anything. You had to just randomly select. So hopefully we get something good. Is this the top or the bottom? I think this is the top.
That's probably the top.
Okay. Okay, I got this. I did it.
For once. Is it one thing?
It's 3 things.
Okay, so I want to do this one. So I see this, and I see that it has Zelda on the top, or Link on the top. Is it a figurine? Oh, it's like a little Link figurines. Figma, whatever. That's what we got in this one, and it shows all the possible poses and stuff. That's pretty cool.
I'm gonna open this one. So we got a Star Wars Rebels Kanan, yes, little, what's it called? Pops.
Pop.
Never really watched that one. I think it's like a cartoon though.
Oh. Alright, and the last item, excuse me, is this. It's like a plushie. And it's in Japanese.
It's a cat.
It's a cat. It has a little booty hole. A little butthole. Anyway, it's a cat. So that's the last one in the egg. Alrighty. Put that back in there.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna put that in there.
Yeah.
Alright, and the last, this huge box.
It's actually the box itself. Okay.
So let's see what's in this box.
Let's not look. Let's pick out something random.
Sure. I'm just probably still gonna look. No lie. I'm probably still gonna look. Alright.
Whatever. They ain't open it right in front of the camera.
Sorry.
God, ooh, that's a lot of stuff.
Okay, close my eyes and take a gander. And this is what I get. Oh. It is a Doctor Who phone case. For what type of phone? For a 5S phone. Who has those still? I don't. Alright, Doctor Who.
I'm gonna go with that's down there. I'm gonna go with this. It is
cup.
Game Boy Color Cup. Boom. Yellow version. For my tea. Everything's gonna be for my tea.
Alright, I'm feeling something soft. This, it's frozen, what do you call it? Cup warmer or soda holder? Whatever you call these things. That's what I got. Alrighty.
I get a little small Star Trek. I don't know what this is. Oh, you can't see them back there.
What is that? Is that mints?
Maybe.
Open it. While he's opening that, I feel something heavy.
Oh.
What is this? Sin City.
I can't open it.
From Sin City. It's basically another figurine.
Hardigan. I think that's the one that Bruce Willis played.
Oh, I don't know. I never watched that movie. It has his face. I want to say those are mints. It's like a mini lunchbox.
It's just a little box.
It's a mini lunchbox. Put your pudding in it.
Pudding.
I don't know.
Alright, let's see what else we got.
Ooh, that one looks kind of nice.
Little gold Pikachu. Pika Pika. Slurpee. It's obviously gonna be mine.
Yeah, he takes all the cups like that. Alright. Alrighty. Something heavy. Is this a candle? I think this is a candle. Alright. Damn, they don't want you to have it.
So I'm gonna go ahead and open one.
Go ahead.
Why she's taking forever. I'm gonna grab this one. What the? It's a costume? She got us a little costume.
Look at a Halloween costume. Clash of the Titans.
It's like a Calabos. I don't know what the heck is. Well, we got a Halloween costume.
There's something else.
I think it's another costume.
Oh, what is
monster.
that? It's in his pants.
It's like a belt. That's funny. It's pants with the guy sticking out. Like, that's
You
hilarious.
better not wear that.
Alright, next thing up. We got us a little, what's his name?
Bob or Bill or I don't know what his name is. Murray or
Bill Murray.
Bill Murray.
Looking like a John Wayne. And not yet.
No, don't open all of them. I want to pick something too. I almost got it. I broke my nail. Almost got it. Okay. It's a freaking candle. Emily the Strange. It's not a video game. I want to say it's a video game. But it's a candle. That took 8 years to open. Okay. I'll get that next. Oh, wait. That's nothing. Okay. The next is another phone case. And it says, I am Sherlock. Okay. It's for iPhone 6. So, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna get the next one too. And it's this box. And it is a pocket monster ball. So, Pokemon ball.
Who's that Pokemon?
Let's see. Oh, it's like one of those like stress balls.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be another Pokemon.
No, it's a stress ball.
Is that it?
Yes, go ahead.
Oh, there's still something.
Oh, yeah.
And we got, what's this say? Imps and monsters? Little
Which
weird.
one did we get?
There's up to, what, 12? Hiya! Okay, we got the, got like a little blue guy. Mad. I think they're all mad. I think he's an imp.
Alright, next thing is a zombie air freshener. There's always random things in these boxes. Like, why do we buy these? So I can get a zombie air freshener. I always wanted one.
Let's see what it is. So we got a Buffy the Vampire Slayer toy.
Spike.
Not bad. Oh, the gentlemen, they're creepy. If you ever seen the show, The Gentleman?
I've never seen that. What is that?
The guys who they like literally take your voice, so you can't scream while they dissect you or something.
It's a little, I guess, art. I don't know what it's art of, but
Let me see.
yeah.
That's from Doctor Strange. Oh, I mean Doctor Who.
How do you know?
I've seen this show before.
Oh, you used to watch Doctor Who?
Yeah, this one with that guy who was in Jessica Jones.
I'm gonna get some now.
Ow, hurt my finger.
I think that's, oh, I'm looking now. That's the last thing. Because these are, I don't know what this is. What is this? I don't know what that is. It's like paper. Anyway, and the last thing is, it says Puzzle Cube. Let me open it.
This is
Puzzle
Doctor Who.
Cube. And then, oops, I keep ripping the boxes. There we go. A puzzle cube. Oh, it's another Rubiks Cube. Yep, another Rubiks Cube. And that's it. That's everything that was in this box. That's a lot of stuff we gotta take home.
But I like this cup though.
I think the cup's my favorite thing. Cause I don't know what the fudge are we supposed to.
You didn't like that link thing?
What? Oh, well, yeah, alright. But what are
costume.
we supposed to do with this costume? Like,
It's pants with the guy.
it looks like, it makes it look like you have a one-eyed monster coming out. Like, is it saying that that something is a one-eyed monster? Because at the back, it shows like underwear and stuff. This is weird. What are you gonna do with this weird costume?
I'm gonna dress like this in our videos now.
You better not. I dare you. I dare you to do it. I dare you to do it.
No.
You shouldn't have said it.
No.
Oh my gosh. Alrighty. Well, that was that.
If you beat me in challenge, I'll wear this.
Ooh, what challenge?
I don't know. We gotta think of something.
In the video.
Anyways, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Y'all just heard about that challenge. It's gonna happen, so.
Anyway. Oh no!
Sheila.
What?
Anyways, guys, catch y'all later. And make sure to subscribe to our gaming channel, Archer Green Games. Peace.